Thank you, Marshall. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session on anomaly detection and resolution. I'm Kyron Pagulayan, your presenter, and I'm glad you could all join us today, as this is the only live session that we will be offering for this topic. Joining me today are my fellow trainers here at CSIS. You already heard Marshall and his wonderful and inspiring CalPads playlist to start off this session. And we also have Adriana Quick, Nathaniel Holmes, Sulaimon Ahmed, and last but not the least, our boss, Matt Clark, who would be helping you guys in the chat if you have any questions during the session. All right? So today we are going to focus on understanding how CalPAS detects and manages anomalies that can impact your ability to certify as well as impact your ability to own a student's SSID in CalPADS, right? We'll explore three key types of anomalies. You have your concurrent enrollments, exit reason discrepancies, and your multiple student identifier or MID. Throughout the session, we'll look at how these anomalies are detected, what they mean, and the best practices for resolving these anomalies efficiently. We'll also discuss how to communicate with LEAs and be able to foster good communication with them and build networks to be able to resolve these anomalies throughout the year. So, with that, let's go ahead and get started. So, again, you've already seen this training roadmap. So, the CSIS training model is designed to be segmented to provide organization of specific topics and concise delivery. We aim to provide focused training and information instruction that would cater to your needs. The anomaly management training is part of the CalPAS basics, and this serves as a complementary training to the data population that you've already attended, and as well as the Fall 1 reporting certification and all other reporting certifications that we will be discussing in CalPADS throughout the year. We also have some skill building videos that are available at our YouTube channel that you could always take advantage of. All right, at the end of this session, you should be able to identify specific SSIDs that are triggering anomalies. You should understand how and where to locate these issues within your data. Also determine the type of anomaly each SSID is triggering and analyze the underlying causes and enrollment context associated with each record. Then, of course, you should be able to demonstrate proficiency in resolving different types of anomalies by following the appropriate correction steps that I will be demoing today. Then, of course, you should be able to designate a LA contact person that would help in resolving your anomalies and also be contacted by LEAs in resolving their anomalies. Then also you should be able to build a network, as I've mentioned, of contact anomaly folks, which is normally around your district or around your city or region, right? And then, of course, you should be able to review and verify that all critical anomalies have been resolved to maintain data quality and avoid the 2% threshold that could prevent you from certification. Right. Our session for today will cover the following topics. So, again, we'll begin with a general overview of what SSID anomalies are and why they occur. We'll explore some of the core features and tools available for managing anomalies within CalPads. And then we'll review how to add and manage anomaly related roles within your accounts to ensure proper access and responsibility. And then we'll walk you through how to identify, analyze, and resolve concurrent enrollments, MIDs, and ERDs. And then finally, we will be wrapping up with a quick recap of the key points and open the floor for any questions. So, all in all, this is scheduled for 3 hours, but I'll try my best to send you off before the 3 hour session limit, or maybe, keep it shorter than that.